Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change background in Google Meet. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Meet and I'm going to show you how we can change background. Wait, I'm going to activate my camera and I'm going to show you how we can change our background. If we want to change our background, we can click on the video setting and you can click on this icon, apply visual effect. Okay, then here you will be able to change your background in Google Meet. You just need to choose the background that you like. For example, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, just tap on the background you want to apply, and as you can see, now my background has been changed. And if you want to remove the background, you just need to go to the visual effect again, like this, and then you can click on this icon. Then here you will have option to remove the background. Okay, I'm going to remove it. And if you want to change it, just go to the visual effect and select the background. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change background in Google Meet. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.